Hello, potato. Where are you?
I am here.
Yeah, can I see your face? Because I missed you. Where are you? Oh, you are in the outer space. Potato, are you in the outer space? Okay. Now here, okay, here, potato. Let's start now with our class this evening, okay? I'll share to you the screen. So here you go. Potato, can you please read what's the screen all about?
Sunflowers.
Okay.
In
All right. So we have, yeah. What? Unit?
Unit 5 What for dinner?
Okay. So we have here, what's for dinner? Now here, okay, potato, listen. Potato, do you still remember what did you eat today?
I
What's your dinner? What's your dinner? My dinner is
meat.
meat. Okay. All right. So your dinner is meat. Now here, did you like it?
Yeah. But I don't
Yes.
meat with me.
Okay.
Um,
What is it that you don't like? I don't like.
when,
You cannot write.
I do
Okay.
not like meat grill.
Oh, you don't like meat. So what did you eat, potato? What did you eat? I ate.
I eat with me.
Okay. What did you eat for dinner? You said you don't like the meat, but did you eat the meat, potato? Did you eat
No,
it? I
I don't
know.
like meat grill.
Oh, you don't like it. Okay. So here, let's try this one. Okay. Here, potato, I have here some vocabulary words for us to study today. Can you please read? We have here the word. Please read. What's the words?
Burrow.
Strange. Again.
Green.
Okay. Now here next.
Burn burrow chopstick. Train.
Next. Okay. So we have chopstick, barrel. Next, potato. Come on. Chopstick.
Chopstick. Burrows. Burn screen.
Okay, so these are the words that we are going to do today. Now look at here, potato. I have here the word strange. What does strange means? Strange means, here, what does strange means? It's un,
Actually, in a way that is
un,
difficult or to understand. Not familiar.
yes. Okay, yes. So if we say strange, if I say, oh, that was a strange thing, it means it is unusual. Okay, you don't know that one. It's your first time to see that thing. So that is strange. Next, potato. We have here the word. What's this? Chopstick. What is a chopstick, potato?
Chopstick.
Either,
Enter a
either
pair
of a pair of thin sticks.
used for eating with, especially in East Asian countries.
Yes. Now here, how about you, potato? Are you using or do you use chopsticks in eating in Vietnam? Potato, do you use chopsticks in eating? Yes or no?
No,
No. What do you use in eating? What do you use in eating? Again.
I spoon and chopstick.
I use spoon and
And chopstick.
Chopstick. Okay, we have there. So potato is still using spoon and chopstick while eating. So chopstick is a common thing that we use in eating if you are living in the East Asian countries. But in other part of the Asia, it's not. Okay, next. Here, what does it mean by borrow, potato? What does it
To
mean by
take
borrow?
something that belongs to
To
someone and return it to them
eat
at
them.
a later time.
Yes, very good. So potato, if we say borrow, it means you are asking someone to let you use thing which is not yours. But of course, you have to ask first if the person will let you use that thing, okay? Because if you're going to get it without permission, that's not good. Always ask for permission, okay? Do you say that one? Do you borrow things, potato?
No.
No. Okay. Potato has a lot of things. Next here, what is burn?
To produce flames and hurt.
Okay, it is to produce flames and heat. Again, to produce, again, heat. To
To
produce,
produce flames and heat.
yeah, to make a fire. That's burn. So if you want your things to burn, you put fire to that and it will burn. Okay. Next, how about this one? Screen. What is the meaning of screen?
The faster for fake in front of a television computer you see pictures or information.
Okay, yeah. So if we say screen, it is a surface at the front of the television or computer. Like right now, Potato is having a class on the screen. Okay, you can see Teacher Jessa on the screen, and I can see Potato on the screen. So we are using screen. Okay. Great job, Potato. Very good. Okay, with me. I'll erase it first. Great. Okay, next one, Potato. Let's have this one. Okay, so here we have, okay, another vocabulary words, Potato. What's the another word here? We have fetch again.
Fetch.
Okay, what's fetch? It's to go where somebody
Something and is and brings them it back.
Yeah, for example, Potato. Potato is fetched by his mom. Okay, for example, Potato fetched by his mom, meaning Potato was get by his mom. Next here, how about the word? What's the next word, Potato? We have the word wild.
Natural
Again, it's wild
is not control.
by
Natural.
by people.
Wild.
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 A natural
Okay.
improvement that is not controlled by
Controlled by people. Yeah,
controlled
that's wild.
by
Yeah. It's not made by people, Potato, but it's made by nature. That's wild. Okay, next, Potato. We have here the next word is leave. What is leave, Potato?
a place.
Okay, so leave means to go away from a person or to place. If, for example, I say, Potato, you leave the room, meaning you move out, Potato, that's leave. Okay, next here, how about journey? Again, what's the word? We have the word.
An act of traveling
Journey.
from one place to another,
Mm,
especially when they
okay,
far
all
apart.
right. Yes, correct. So that is journey. It is an act of traveling, okay? Travel from one place to another, especially when you are very far. That's a journey. Okay. Now here, potato, I have here a picture, okay? Can you see my picture here? What are the animals that we can see in here, potato? What are the animals?
A panda,
A
a shark,
panda
a giraffe, a parrot, a kangaroo, a,
and
and a bear,
yeah, very good. Now
and a
here, look,
spider.
yeah, potato, look at the panda. What is the panda doing?
He is make a cake.
Okay, baking. Is it baking or eating?
Making.
I'm making. Now here, how about the parrot? Can you tell me what's the parrot doing in here?
Parrot is with me.
Okay.
Jump rope.
Oh, jumping rope. Yes. You know how to jump rope, potato? Do you know how
Yeah.
to jump rope? Yeah. Do you like jump rope?
Yeah.
Yes, that's so great. Okay, that is a jump rope. Next here, how about the octopus? What is the octopus doing?
Octopus is playing a game.
Okay. Next, how about the kangaroo? How about kangaroo? Kangaroo is?
Kangaroo is cooking a
What's that?
cooking a sausage.
Yeah, so we have here kangaroo is cooking sausages. Okay, now here, look at here, potato. What are the names of these animals in the picture?
So and now we can Richard, Joe, Harry, Eva, May.
Mm, okay, correct. All right, so here, let's try to do this. Now here, potato, can you tell me where are these animals? Come on. Where are the animals here, potato? Where do you think they are?
A panda, a
Where are
spider,
they? Where? It's not what, it's where. They are? Are they in the house? Are they in
they
the
are
supermarket?
in the forest.
Okay, very good. Next. Here. What are they doing?
They are panda is cooking honey.
Okay, so we have
Octopus
here.
is drinking juice.
Mm.
Kangaroo is making sausages.
Yes, and
And octopus is playing games in
okay, very
forest.
good. And
A bear is eating, making a cake.
okay, yes, that's correct.
Is is
Okay.
jump rope. A fan
Okay.
is listening music. And a giraffe is
Okay. And
and the giraffe is he's
okay.
funny.
Yes. Okay, here. What kind of animals are they, potato? What are
Hand
what?
have
Mhm.
legs and arms.
Yeah,
Spider
these are yeah.
doesn't have
Okay.
arms. Have
All right. So
arms.
okay.
Kangaroo have
Have has not have
kangaroo
has.
have has have
Okay.
an arm and a tail and
Uh,
legs. Octopus doesn't have a leg, arm, and tails.
okay. All
A bear,
right.
a bear has an arm and a leg and a tail, but the giraffe has a leg, doesn't have a tail, doesn't have an arm.
Okay. Yeah, so they are called land animals. Now here, what is your favorite animal in the picture? Potato. My favorite animal in the picture is
My favorite animal in the
mm,
picture is kangaroo because I like to making sausages.
okay. Now here, you like potato. What kind of animal do you like?
I like kangaroo
Oh, why do you like kangaroo? Why do you choose kangaroo?
because kangaroo hop
Is
high.
ah,
I want to
okay.
hop high.
Okay, that's why you chose kangaroo. Oh my God. Okay, here. Look at here, potato. Let's try to answer this one. So here, potato. Look at here. So we have, wait me for a while. So the sentences here are wrong. So I have here 5 sentences, potato, and they are all wrong. So here, let's try to read and correct these sentences.
An animal that wearing a hat cutting
Mhm.
into pieces. No.
Okay, now here, the animals that's wearing a hat is cutting a cake into pieces. What do you think? How do you make it correct?
Correct.
Yeah, here, an animal that's wearing a hat is cutting a cake into pieces. What kind of animal is that? Can you tell me what kind of animal is that? That is it a cake?
Kangaroo and bear.
No. Look at here, wearing a hat. The animal wearing a hat is cutting a cake. The cake is wrong. What is the animal cutting?
A bear, but bear is no cutting a
A
cake
cake.
into two pieces.
Pieces.
It's
Okay.
cut
What
off.
is, yeah, look at here. What is he cutting? What is he cutting? Is it a cake? Is this a cake or
Yeah,
no? Is it a cake? It's not
yeah.
a cake. No, it's not a cake. What is that?
It's a pizza.
Yeah. It's cutting a pizza, not a cake. Okay. It's not a cake. Next, number 2. Please read, potato. There are,
Animal with wings in the picture.
okay.
No
No, what's the answer?
one.
There is
One
one.
wing in the picture.
Okay, very good. So, what animal is that? There are 2 animals. Again, what's the answer? There
There are
are,
two animals with wings.
yeah, what are these 2 animals with wings, potato? Can you tell me? What are
Parrot
these?
and swan.
Okay, perfect. Yes, we have carrots and duck. They are the 2 animals with wings in the picture. Very good. Next, number 3, potato. Please read. The umbrella
Umbrella is a different color.
are
No,
different colors. What's the answer? Is it different colors?
no, it is a
Oh,
purple.
okay. It is same color. That's purple. Correct. Very good. All right. Next here, number 5. Please read number 5.
Like glasses on a table. No, it is three glasses on a table.
Oh, it's not 5 glasses, but it's 3. Very good, Potato. Next, number 5, please read. The table.
The table where panda is sitting around. No, because the panda is really in front
Sitting in
of
the
sitting in the chair in front of the spider.
spider. What's the shape of what's the shape of the table? What's the shape of the table?
It's a square.
Okay, very good. Very good. I'm so happy for you, Potato. Very good. You know it already. Okay. Great job. Now here, Potato, are you ready to do the listening activity? Okay. Are
Yeah.
you ready? Yeah. So here, Potato, listen carefully to the audio, Potato, and write or draw a line to where is it. Okay. Are you ready now? Let's start. Okay, number 1. Here we go, Potato.
15a. What's for dinner? Listen and look. There is one example.
I'm reading a funny book, Dad. It's for younger children, really, but I don't mind that. The story's about the animals in this picture.
Oh, they're having a picnic. They look very strange. Some look quite scary too.
Ha! Yes, they do. And all these animals have names. Can you see Paul? He's already sitting on one of the seats.
Do you mean the panda with the chopsticks?
That's right. He borrowed those from one of the others.
Can you see the line? This is an example. Now you listen and draw lines.
What are they eating? It's difficult to see.
Sausages, burgers and meatballs, I think. But the cook burned some of them.
Oh dear. What's the cook's name?
Harry. He likes wearing that red baseball cap in sunny weather. He sometimes wears sunglasses too.
Really? The 2 giraffes are having fun. Look,
Yeah,
Okay, Potato, answer number 1. Okay, next, number 2. Listen, number 2.
he's wearing that red baseball cap in sunny weather. He
Number 2.
sometimes wears sunglasses too.
really? The 2 giraffes are having fun. Look,
Yes, the shorter one's called Eva.
what's the other one's name?
I can't remember. Sorry.
It's okay. I didn't know that parrots could skip.
Well, this one can.
What kind of juice is that insect drinking?
It's mango juice, I think.
Well, it's enjoying it. What's its name?
Jill. It's a really strange insect. If it wants to, it can change the colour of its body and legs.
What a brilliant idea. I'd like to do that.
Dad! And look! There's Richard,
Which creature is that?
the one with the camera in its arms.
Does it like taking photos?
Yes, videos too. It's looking at some on the little screen. And here's Anna. She listens to rock music all day long.
Is that why she's moving her wings up and down? Is it some kind of dance?
No, she's getting ready to fly off to fetch some more food, I think. I can't remember.
I see. So what will all these animals do after their picnic?
Oh, I don't know yet. I have to read more of the story to find out.
Okay, very good. Now here, Potato. I will let you listen one more time, but Potato, listen. You enter again. Potato. No, you enter again. Enter again, okay? Enter again. Okay. Okay. Enter.